What if I told you that building wealth in Africa does not require a rich family, a university degree, or a large amount of capital to start? What if the actual path from nothing to something is simpler than everything you have been told? Today, I'm going to give you a practical step-by-step guide to building real wealth, starting from exactly where you are right now. Welcome back to African Wealth Code, where we teach everyday Africans how to build real wealth from nothing. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos every Friday. You cannot build a map to your destination without knowing your starting point. Most Africans have no clear picture of their actual financial situation. They roughly know what comes in and vaguely know what goes out. Step 1 is radical financial honesty. Write down every source of income you have. Write down every single expense. Calculate the difference. That number, however uncomfortable, is your starting point. You cannot fix what you cannot see, and you cannot build what you refuse to measure. This single exercise alone puts you ahead of the majority of people around you. Once you see your numbers clearly, the next step is ruthless. Cut every expense that is not feeding you, housing you, or building your future. Subscriptions you barely use, clothes bought for appearance, parties funded by money you do not have, airtime spent on conversations that produce nothing. Every seed you redirect from consumption to building is a seed working toward your freedom. This is not about suffering. It is about temporary sacrifice for permanent gain. The wealthy live below their means so they can invest the difference. The fastest way to increase your income from nothing is to develop one skill that solves a problem people will pay to have solved. In Ghana and across Africa right now, people are paying for digital skills, cooking, event planning, content creation, trading, teaching, fixing things, and building things. You do not need a university to develop a marketable skill. YouTube, free online courses, and learning from people already doing it. These are available to anyone with a smartphone. Pick one skill, master it for 90 days, then offer it to people who need it. This is how income grows from nothing. Before you pay anyone else, pay yourself first. Every time money comes in, whether it is 50 Ghana cedis or 5,000 Ghana cedis, immediately set aside a fixed percentage. Start with just 10%. Put it somewhere separate from your spending money. This is not about the amount. It is about the habit. The discipline of saving before spending rewires your entire relationship with money. Over time, that habit compounds into something significant. Wealthy people do not save what is left after spending. They spend what is left after saving. That single reversal changes everything. A salary or single income will never build wealth alone. At some point, you must start something of your own, however small. A food business from your kitchen, a service you offer on weekends, something you buy and sell for profit, a skill you teach others. Do not wait until you have enough capital. Do not wait until conditions are perfect. Start with what you have, where you are, with what you know. Every large business in Ghana today started as something small that someone refused to abandon. Your small thing today is your large thing tomorrow, if you stay consistent. When your side business or skill starts generating income, resist the temptation to spend it. The biggest mistake new entrepreneurs make is consuming their first profits instead of reinvesting them. Buy better tools, reach more customers, improve your product, learn a new skill that increases your value. Every CD reinvested in your early stage multiplies far more than any CD spent on consumption. The wealthy build first and enjoy later. They delay gratification deliberately because they understand that what they plant today determines what they harvest tomorrow. 6 steps. No shortcuts, no magic. Just a clear, honest, practical path that any African can follow starting today. Know your numbers. Cut what is not building you. Develop a marketable skill. Save before you spend. Start something small and reinvest your profits. This is not theory. This is the actual blueprint ordinary Africans have used to build extraordinary lives from nothing. Share this with someone who is ready to start building. Subscribe to African Wealth Code for more every Friday. And remember, wealth is not luck, it is a code. And today you just learned another piece of it. See you next Friday.